Guys, the question says if a dipole having dipole moment 5 microcoulomb meter is initially placed perpendicular to electric field of intensity 3.2 Newton per coulomb, is rotated through 60 degree, then potential energy associated with it is. Yes guys, when we have initial position perpendicular, so I can say the initial angle is 90 and then it is rotated by or rotated through 60, which means the final position, if we rotate towards the electric field, which means the angle goes on decreasing, then it decreases by 60 and we reach 30. And if it goes on increasing, like if we rotate against the direction of electric field, then the angle goes on increasing and it becomes 90 plus 60, which is 150. And in that cases, definitely the value might get affected. So please pay attention to it. The potential energy is given by PE cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2, where theta 1 is 90, very clearly. So cos 90 is 0, which means for us the formula is minus PE cos theta, where theta is not the angle by which it is rotated, it is the angle at which it is positioned. So they say the rotated through 60 degree means rotated by 60 degree. So the final position is either 30 or 150. Now 30 degree lies in the first quadrant and 150 degree lies in the second quadrant, guys. And so the cos value of in the first quadrant and the second quadrant is positive and negative. And so here the ambiguity starts. Now what you need to understand over here is when you say the electric field के opposite direction में rotate कर रहे हैं तो हमें करना पड़ेगा because वो unstable equilibrium के तरफ हम जा रहे हैं. I hope you remember the unstable equilibrium का मतलब जहां पे equilibrium तो मिलेगा लेकिन वो स्टेबल नहीं होगा, यानी वहां पे पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बढ़ते जाएगी और मैक्सिमम हो जाएगी बिकॉज वी आर वर्किंग अगेंस्ट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. और अगर हम टूवर्ड्स जीरो के तरफ जाते हैं तो वो खुद ब खुद जाएगा, विच मीन्स हम स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम की तरफ जा रहे हैं एंड दैट मीन्स द 90 से 30 इट विल गो रोटेट बाय इटसेल्फ. अब यहां पे बोला है इट इज रोटेटेड थ्रू. रोटेटेड मतलब रोटेट किया गया है. जब मैं बोलूं रोटेट किया गया है तो ऑब्वियसली मैं तभी रोटेट करूंगा जब मुझे फील्ड के अगेंस्ट द डायरेक्शन जाना होगा. एंड दैट मींस द फाइनल थीटा का वैल्यू इज गोइंग टू बी 150 डिग्री. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड सो द फॉर्मूला विल कम माइनस पीई कॉस 150 डिग्री. अब यहां पे cos 150 डिग्री, please understand it is equivalent to minus cos 30 and so cos 30 की वैल्यू हमें बहुत अच्छे से पता है which is root 3 by 2. so यहां पे आएगा माइनस इंटू और माइनस p का वैल्यू दिया है 5 माइक्रोकूलम मीटर, so 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी दिया है 3.2 न्यूटन पर कूलम and cos 150 हो जाएगा minus root 3 by 2. So now if we try and calculate this, definitely this minus sign gets cancelled. This will be 2 ones are 2 1.6 and 5 into 1.6 is 8. 8 root 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 should be the energy. And so out of the given option, the answer should be 8 root 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 joule.